we have another Thomas and Friends video with more surprises. So let's get started. Let's see which Thomas minis we can get with our clone machine. So it looks like we got Thomas, as you can see right here. So let's pour another coin in. That's alright, because we can keep trying. So it looks like we got Bert, as you can see right here. There's a lot of jellyfish on him. He's an aquatic one. So let's put another coin in. So it looks like we got Aquaman Salty, as you can see right here. Looks exactly like Aquaman. So let's try again. So it looks like we got Blow Pop James, as you can see right here. Pretty sweet. Now I'm going to show you this Thomas Minis motorized raceway with Cranky. You can see right here. So now let's go down the yellow. As you can see. And we'll go down the loop-de-loop. Okay, that's it for this video. Bye!